managing the GMAT preparation along with your very hectic lifestyle, especially the work requirements. So, what were the strategies that you found most effective for the GMAT preparation?
Uh, First of all, when I started preparing for GMAT, it had been like more than 3 years since I'd given any entrance exam, so I was totally out of touch. The first thing I did was I went to my social media and checked on Quora and YouTube. There were a lot of sources where you could get a hint about what the GMAT is about. But still, that doesn't prepare you for what the exam is, because more than the concepts, it's about time management. So I used online resources only. I used GMAT Club and GMAT Wiz for my prep, and I gave a lot of mock exams, timed practice tests after brushing up the basics, of course. It was actually a very I had to be very patient throughout the journey because I did not see results overnight. It had to be a trial and error method. Something worked, something not. I had to give 2 attempts, but I was able to get a decent score, which I was comfortable applying to these schools with.